Apparently, baking soda is one of the most versatile and useful ingredients, and due to the fact that it is cheap and affordable, it is definitely one of the favorite items in every household. It is used all over the world, and it can fight colds, flu, various skin issues, cancer, and can replace commercial deodorants and products for oral hygiene. Additionally, it is a fantastic household cleaning product. Namely, baking soda effectively treats acidity, peptic ulcer, metabolic acidosis, drug intoxication, and diarrhea. It can also help you clean the skin and make it healthy and glowing. It can also efficiently remove plaque. Due to the high sodium content, it can help you prevent bladder infections, kidney stones, and hyperkalemia. The consumption of baking soda in some water can soothe muscle pain after a strenuous workout. A woman from LA was constantly facing troubles after her daily workout, as she suffered from intense pain in the muscles. However, she started drinking a glass of water with baking soda on a daily basis, and this helped her soothe the soreness and freely exercise. After a month, she managed to get the body she dreamt of, and she felt absolutely no pain in her muscles. Furthermore, baking soda can also help you fight nail fungus and grime, and all you need to do is to apply some of it on a nail brush and scrub the nails. You can also add a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil to some water and soak the feet in it for 20 minutes. This will soothe the soreness and itchiness, and help you get rid of the bad odor,